Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change project location in Davinci Resolve. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Um, okay, so what we need to do, we need to get to the basically Davinci Resolve will be bringing you to the project manager window. So now how to do that, press Shift and 1 on your keyboard, just like that. Now you will see here, so let me close this. You will see here an icon next to the project's name here, show hide project libraries. Click on that, and then you will see here at the bottom, add project library. All right, now what you need to do is choose the create tab, type a descriptive name for your new storage directory inside the name text box right here. So let's say something like that. Um, Now location, browse. So I will select here downloads, select folder. So you will select whatever is sweet for you and then click create. And as you can see right now, we have create a brand new project storage location. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next